Bonus reading for May the 8th to May the 9th, water signs. Your cards are the Eight of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune. So may mga pagkakataon dito na si person talagang may pinag-isipan, no? Itong pinag-isipan na ito, parang biglaan na lang din dumating sa isip niya. However, may actions agad. This might be giving you the relationship. This might also gonna be na meron ng progress, no? Itong inyong plans sa buhay. Pwede kasi din na kung meron mang mga plans of migration, ayan, dadating po siya. May plans of pwedeng lumipat ng bahay, dadating din siya. Nakakakita tayo dito, also travel. Medyo pinag-isipan niya ito, hindi pwedeng hindi kayo hindi. Kasi ito yung pagkakataon na parang meron kayong bonding moments. Either kayong dalawa, no, dun sa mga may asawa with the family. So yeah, this is your bonus reading, water signs, for May the 8th to May the 9th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye.